Okay, scholars, today we're going to read a book called At the Airport. At the Airport. There are roads at the airport. There are cars at the airport. There are signs at the airport. There are people at the airport. There are tickets at the airport. There are snacks at the airport. There are seats at the airport. There are stores at the airport. There are dogs at the airport. There are lights at the airport. There are planes at the airport. There are pilots at the airport. There are suitcases at the airport. There are hugs at the airport. So these are our power words. There, are, at, the. All right, now I want you to pick a book from the art bookshelf and read for a few minutes, or you can use the books in your Ziploc bag.